Hi everyone, it's Bobby at the Paper Jungle. I wanted to give you a real quick sneak peek at the new project I'm working on. This will be a guest design project for Tammy over at Country Craft Creations. She sent me this nostalgia paper by Authentique. It is absolutely gorgeous. It has all of these papers in it, and what I like most about it is the fact that the green is a different shade. It's not that bright hunter green or garden green, you know, the real bright jump out in your face green. It's more of a muted, almost a lime green. It's just so pretty. And let me show you a couple of them. You can see a sample of the green here and all the old Santas. It's just so pretty. And a neat thing about this paper collection, you can also add a page in here for your pet. If you're a dog or a cat owner, you can include a page in your album so that you can include your pet in your Christmas book. So I thought that was really neat as well. But she sent me the paper and the chipboard, and I've cut my pieces 10 by 7.5, and I'll cut the spine later once I determine the depth of my pages. I do have the base pages cut out, and they're pretty much ready to go. But like I said, until I get this all layered up and get a good measurement on it, I don't know exactly how wide I want my spine to be. But I will have a cut list posted for you on my Facebook page a few days before I post the album, the tutorial, so that you can see that. And you can get your pieces ready if you want to make it along with me. She also sent me this ribbon. She sent the green, red, and the cream-colored seam binding. It is really a nice ribbon. I really like it. I love the color of it. I had a green in my stash, but I like the green she sent better. I had these two shades. This one's almost the same as that, but hers is a little bit darker than that light one. But I like what she sent better with the paper, so that's probably what I'll use. And then I love this snowflake. Isn't that just the prettiest? That'll be so gorgeous. I don't know where I'll put it, but I'll find some place for it. I guarantee you that. And this tulle, this dotted Swiss tulle, is gorgeous. Absolutely awesome. I just really like it. And there'll be a few more things that I'm going to pull out of my stash. One thing, I may use a little bit of this natural jute. Not sure, but I had that. And then I have these enamel dots, which will go with the paper really well. And then I had this frame in my stash. I thought it'd be really pretty. I don't know how well it's going to work with the paper, but I'll just play it by ear as I go along and see if there's some place I can use it. There's a large and a small frame in here. It'd be pretty to put Santa's picture in one of them, if it works. But we'll just wing it as we go. And then I had these cardstock stickers I've had forever and ever and ever. Never used any of them. So I might see if any of those will fit. And then I had these Tim Holtz letters, and I spelled out Merry Christmas. I thought that'd be cute in there. And I had this little Santa in my stash. It's a dimensional sticker. And there's a few reindeer there. And what else? Oh, and I will be using the score tape sheets just for the album cover. If you haven't seen those. I save all my scraps in here because you may be able to use them on a hinge or whatever. But here's, see all my scraps in there? Let me find a full sheet. There's a full sheet of it. This stuff makes the nicest covers. If you've ever tried to make a cover with glue or with little tiny strips, you can use so much of when you buy it on the roll, it takes so much of a roll to make an album cover, and if you use glue, then you end up with not an even coverage, and you can tell it, especially on prints. So, and then I'll be using some acetate sheets in my pockets and flaps. So, that's where I'm at with that. So I hope you'll stay tuned and you'll come back and make this album along with me. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to get it all put together. But I just wanted to give you an idea of what's up so that you can stay tuned. Oh, and by the way, we'll be using the art glitter glue. The score tape sheets are just for the cover. All the pages and the flaps, everything else will be the art glitter glue, because it holds really, really well. Even if you're in a humid environment, it stays there forever. So, alright guys, I will talk to you soon, and I'll get this posted as soon as I can. And I'll have the cut list on Facebook for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.